Hi guys, welcome to GiAi Factory. I'm Susan and I'm very glad to show you guys to visit GiAi Factory. Firstly, please allow me to introduce the GiAi main product to you guys. GiAi are many specialists in doing coding, and we have two factories. The headquarters located in Shenzhen, and for this factory are many manufacturing flat filters, and like this one, ND filters, bandpass filters, dichroic mirrors, long pass filters, short pass filters, and some colored filters, some color glass, and IR card filters, and high reflection mirrors like gold mirrors and dielectric mirrors, high reflection mirrors, and they can do the metal coating, reflection coatings, GiAi has passed the ISO 9001 and SGS and RICH certifications, and gets so many certifications. GiAi. Okay, let's move to introduce our branches. Ansan Factory. Ansan Factory are many manufacturing like optical prisms, and infrared products like germanium, silicon, and zinc cyanide. GiAi products are many applied for biometric devices, IPL beauty equipment like IPL hair remover, laser rangefinder, and infrared thermometers, etc. And for GiAi, established in 2008, we have covered over 8,000 square meters, and for over 13 years, GiAi has become a leading supplier. Okay, now after introducing the brief introduction of our factory, follow me. I will show you guys visit our workshop. Follow me. Hi guys, we have arrived our coating workshop, and for GiAi coating machines are many imported from foreigner. Like this one is imported from Japan, and his brand is Optical. And for these coating machines, we usually doing coating for some difficult requirement product, and like bandpass filters, it has very nano wise. Some of them is within 5 nanometers, and we can also doing coating for some products to get the high transmission and high reflections. Before we doing coating, our engineers usually will design the curves for us. Yes. Okay, and in GiAi company there are over 30 coating machines, 30 coating machines, and we can not only doing coating like anti-reflection coating and high reflection coating, DLC coating, bandpass coating, short pass coating, and long pass coatings. Okay guys, now we are in the assembly workshop, and in this workshop we would help our clients doing some packaging like this one. It's automatically packaging machines, and usually we need doing some film, some package like doing the film like this one. We needed to protect this product within protect the film for double size. We would use these automatic machines to help us. Okay, in this workshop, not only for doing some packaging, and also we can doing some final inspections like this one. We would check the surface quality of our product. Usually we would check whether it's dirty or residue or scratch or dig on the surface or not. And after we finish doing the final inspections, our QC would test the last step, check them again. We must guarantee every precision of our product and offer you the best quality product, and finish all the process, all the procedures, and we would write a testing report. That means our product, all of them are qualified. Okay guys, we have arrived at our polishing workshop, and as you can see, there are over 18 polishing machines in our factories. For GiAi polishing machine, and we usually help our customers to meet the high surface accuracy and flatness, like 1/8 lambda, 1/10 lambda. And we could also, see more details. Usually when we're doing the polishing, we would use a special fixture and insert our glass. GiAi, we could also doing the polishing for sapphire products. If you guys have any product, maybe you need us to help you doing the polishing, it's okay. GiAi could help you. Okay, after visiting our factory, I think you guys maybe have a little knowledge of GiAi capabilities. If you show any interest of them, contact us, send us message, and you can leave our message. We would reply to you as soon as possible. And be my fans. We will give you a big discount. Love you. Be my fans. Love you.